For a minute and a half.
I thank my friend from California for yielding such time. Mr. Speaker, I rise in strong support of H.R. 4, bipartisan legislation that will correct a glaring flaw in the prescription drug law. This common-sense bill will require the federal government to negotiate for lower drug prices for American seniors and people with disabilities in the Medicare program. It sounds like common sense, right? But the Republicans actually wrote into law language explicitly prohibiting the government from negotiating for lower prices for American seniors. Instead of using the bully pulpit of the Secretary of Health and Human Services to lower costs, they put a muzzle on them, banning any negotiations. There has never been legislation passed into law prior to that that strictly prohibits any agency from negotiating. From warplanes to medical equipment, the federal government has always been able to negotiate. Furthermore, 85% of respondents in a recent Kaiser family poll support legislation to allow the government to negotiate lower drug prices. The ability to require the Secretary of Health and Human Services to negotiate the cost of prescription drugs purchased through the Medicare program has the potential to constitute a tremendous savings for recipients and therefore for all taxpayers. I am pleased that within the first 100 hours of Democratic control of Congress, we are moving to help alleviate the high price of prescription drugs on our seniors. America is going in a new direction, and that direction is forward. And with that, I yield back the balance.